Hello to everyone, I have here new package. So it is Roborock and it is type 3. I will tell you what kind, and it is the robotic vacuum cleaner product model S5 Max. So 6.1 kilogram. And let's go to unpackage this Robocop. So I think the right position is like this, and we can start the unpackage. So start with knife. This is okay. Okay, like this. Then second side. Okay. S5 Max, some icons, Roborock rediscover clean. So let's go. Can you keep package? Please keep package. Keep. Okay, thank you. It's going. Okay. Here is some manual for the cleaner, and now we continue with unpackaging. So everyday mapping made easier, easy mopping, intelligence, cleaning, etc. So it is S5 Max, and we are going to open him. We can see that he won Design Award 2020. We can see here the same, and we can see that it's large electronic tank, no mop zones, room selection, and also instant suction. So let's go to open next. So here is some foil, special foil. What we need to we need to open like this, and now we can open like this, and now we can see here the cleaner. What is here? We can check there all parts. Okay. What here? You can see here wheel, any special mops, and we can return this side. We have here any warning, so to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. This bag is not a toy. Discard this bag immediately after removing product. Okay, so important information for your kids. And now we can continue finding the new papers. New papers are where? We have here also any filters. So to avoid danger of suction, keep this bag away from babies. Again, the same sentence as before. And here we have a special cable for dock station, I think. So some special cable for dock station. And we have here also big, really big book, big manual, and we need to now to read basic information what we need, and also some information about application what you can download from the net. It's connect to network guide, so you can using the cleaner via your phone, what is very nice. I believe that it's possible using the Android system and also Apple, so if you have iPhone. So we check this, but first what we want to see is this not saved information. Table 4, welcome, product introduction and installation. So we can check the number of 7 and 12. So let's go. We are going to product introduction, so we can see what is what is what. So as I said, we have here the charging dock. So this is the charging dock. When we check this one is mop cloth mount and mop clothes. Also this power cable right here and moisture proof mat. So it is, I think, this one. Oh no,